Oh wow. It's like magic.
Real nice beads.
We should have filmed what it looked like before.
It looked like bull crap.
Yeah, it looked like dogs smeared with corset.
Yeah, not good. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. I got 413 RC with me today. Brought all his bashers. Oh. Ease up. It snowed about a foot yesterday, so we're having a little fun before we get to work. But in today's video, we're gonna test out Adam's new ceramic graphene spray coating. If you guys don't know, I like detailing on the side, and the hot new craze is graphene coating. I've yet to test it myself. Just waiting for my buddy to bring it over here any minute now. And we are gonna dial in Jeff's winter Jeep. But until then, until he gets here, we're gonna do a little bashing. And look, the winter Subaru's back.
Flat out. Wow, that's a lot deeper than I thought.
Yeah, that's not 6 inches.
Well, your 6 inches and my 6 inches are a little different.
Two different things.
Jeez.
Holy moly.
That's a good 1.5 feet.
A little heavier than that RC car, too.
I guess so. You see.
It's okay.
Just vlogging.
It's my pre-workout.
Yeah, it is.
Delivery.
Have you ever seen someone happier than this to get some pre-workout? You must pay this Amazon guy extra to hand deliver it. This poor frickin' guy.
What's up, man?
Jesus!
It's a wrap. About to get to work, but first we got a little Don Giovanni's, Morris, Connecticut. Best pizza in the world. Right? What's wrong with you, 413 RC? Jeep needs to get dialed in. So this is what we're going to be testing out today. It's Adam's graphene ceramic spray coating. Seems to be what everyone's talking about these days. What I usually use on my cars is the good old-fashioned Power Lock Plus sealant with Colonite. 845 insulator wax. Then when I do my maintenance washes, I use Bead Maker as a drying aid. And it's worked out pretty great. But Jeff traveled all the way from Massachusetts to Connecticut to get his Jeep washed and detailed, so we figured this would be a good contender to try it on. We're going to do a decontamination wash first with decontamination soap from Obsessed Garage. Then we're going to do a quick clay bar. I don't think we'll be doing a paint correction on this Jeep, are we, Jeff?
I don't think so.
This Jeep goes in the woods and stuff. So.
Yeah, we don't need that.
So we're going to do a decon wash, clay, and then apply it. I'll show you how to do it, and then we'll test it and see how it is.
Graphene.
Shannon's focused.
Yep.
Nice. All right, I'm
Getting
gonna
a phone call. Hold on, you can go. It's KZ.
All right, so Dr. Patonic's gonna do it. He's gonna do the honors and spray it on.
I already put it on my snowblower.
You do once before.
Yeah.
So what you do is you spray it on. You need 2 microfiber rags. Spray it on one. Wipe
Spray
it
on
in.
this one?
Yeah, you can spray on that one. Spray it on one of them. Wipe it in. Let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes. And then you're gonna buff it off with the other microfiber.
Getting a little on the paint, but that's fine. Give it a crap.
And then after you buff it off, you want to let it cure for like, what's that suggest? 3 to 4 hours? Or 3 hours?
Yeah.
All right, that's what we're gonna do.
Drive it home. They say wear the gloves. Jeff, get up close so you can see how slick it is.
Actually, you can already tell the difference.
No, I know, it's solid. I put this on the old 36-inch Craftsman.
That'll buff out.
Wait till you guys see the way it beads.
For not doing paint correction, it looks real good. It's like filling it in.
Yeah, it's solid.
I don't know.
It's kind of expensive for a little bottle, but I guess it does.
How much was the bottle? 39?
Yeah, but I got it on Black Friday. No telling what she costs full price.
We'll put the link in the description.
Yeah, affiliate link.
Yep.
Click that crap.
Wow, look
All
at
right,
that.
now.
Look at that mirror.
Well, that's just applying it.
We're gonna get Ryan doing the high buff. Alright, so we let this thing cure for 4 hours. Had like 3 or 4 Yinglings. See what happens. Oh wow. It's like magic.
That's super hydrophobic. Not bad. Very high gloss shine too. Easy to apply. Remember, we did not do a paint correction on this thing. So if we did, it'd look 10
We
times
did break
better.
the rules though. We sprayed it directly on the paint.
Yeah, we did.
The paint was real dry.
So Jeff, you're gonna have to give the long-term review.
Will
All
do.
Do an update.
Drive this thing through a couple of mud
But
puddles.
pretty happy with this product so far. Real nice beads.
We should have filmed what it looked like before.
Look like bull crap.
Yeah, it looked like dogs smeared with corn.
Yeah, not good.